EverZinc, creating products that matter. Have you ever stopped for a moment to consider what your world would be like without zinc? Your tyres will be flatter, your skin will age faster, your batteries will be weaker, your sunglasses, well, you get the point. Your car rustier, as will your scooter and every other device exposed to the elements. And what about pharma, ag products, food? Thankfully, zinc is abundant, and at EverZinc we are making products better. We are making sure tyres run longer. We are ensuring that skincare products can be healthier. We are passionately pursuing safer, more efficient rechargeable energy storage solutions. And we continue to extend the life of planes, trains, automobiles and scooters, making them corrosion-free. EverZinc, creating products that matter.